You need to do a step-by-step plan for making your product. You can do this in a table so it follows a logical format. In the one column you'll put the stages of making, so each stage will be labelled with using keywords, key times and key temperatures. You then put the time that it takes to do each part of the product. You also include personal hygiene such as hair back, aprons on, washing hands, kitchen hygiene, sanitising surfaces, different colour chopping boards to prevent cross-contamination, food hygiene, storage of products in fridges, correct storage, also checking temperatures that food's cooked correctly, safety points so we don't get hurt, that would be using oven gloves and using equipment safely. And then finally you will put all the quality control checks, what you do to make your product consistent and look the same each time. Okay, here's one example that we have. So your stages of making, you need to go across thinking of hygiene and safety checks and quality control checks for that specific point. Now you might not have one for every single stage of making, so don't worry. But for example, if we look at the prepare ingredients, they put it will take 5 to 10 minutes. Then for hygiene and safety, make sure the ingredients are in date, check if packaging has been broken, see if there are any marks of animal or pest presence. So those are your hygiene and safety checks. Quality control checks, any ingredients from the fridge need to be between 0 and 5 degrees C, and weigh ingredients using digital scales. So that's one example, but you will then go through stage by stage of making your product. This is so if someone was making your product and followed your plan, it would come out exactly the same as you made it. In the quality control section, if you want to include any images, you can do that as well.